Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add link to Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So for example, I want to add my YouTube video link to my Instagram story. So first of all, I'm going to open YouTube and here is the video. I'm going to tapping on share and tapping on copy link. And now I'm opening my Instagram and tapping on this plus icon and selecting here story and tapping on create and tapping on sticker. And from here I'm selecting this link sticker, and if you don't see the link here, you can search for link and you will get the link. So tap on link and paste your link here which you want to add to your story and tap on done. And finally here you can see I successfully added my link here and tap on send, select your story, share and tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.